My name is Dr. Dylan Blacquiere. I'm a stroke neurologist with the Horizon Health Network at the St. John Regional Hospital in St. John, New Brunswick. As a stroke neurologist, digital health has impacted my career by allowing me to offer my expertise to people around the entire province. Before, we would be very much tied to our own institutions. I would only be able to help people here locally. The trouble is that when a person lives very far away from an emergency room where they have access to stroke expertise, so a stroke neurologist, say, or somebody who has experience treating stroke patients, then maybe that person might not be able to get the best therapy. Digital health has very much affected the way that I treat patients in remote communities. Using systems such as telestroke, I can offer the same level of expertise and care that I would to my patients in northern New Brunswick as I would here in St. John. I think digital healthcare and other projects like it are financially responsible. Certainly we know that treating people in their home hospital allows us to treat them locally without the need to necessarily transfer them down to a larger center. And that, long term, by sparing disability, by keeping people from dying, by keeping people from being disabled and having to go to the nursing home, long term that could save a significant amount of money to the healthcare system. One of my first telestroke cases where I treated someone over the computer from my living room, where I could see not only their stroke, their symptoms, their distress, and the distress of the family around them, where I was able to tell them what was happening, what we could potentially do about it, offer advice on how to give that treatment, and then hear from the fact afterward that that patient did very well. That was one of the proudest moments of my career. If somebody in Brandon, Manitoba can get the same level of care as Toronto, Ontario, then we know we've done our job to make sure that our healthcare system is accessible to everyone regardless of where they happen to be. Geography doesn't have to be a factor anymore.